Introducing the 2020 Skoda Octavia AMB 1.0tsi 115HP, 4-door in sleek black. This stylish saloon boasts a 1-litre petrol engine with manual transmission, packed with comfort and safety features including Bluetooth, cruise control and multiple airbags. With ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures top-notch security on the road. Plus, enjoy luxury trim, LED lights and a powertrain warranty for peace of mind. Fully serviced with a comprehensive warranty, this Octavia is ready to hit the road. Schedule a test drive today and experience the ultimate driving experience. Call us at or visit laharts.ie for more details.